it's filming already. Here you go.
Is it? It's audible too? Yeah, I see it. AAA tree. This is Mr. Joey, super tree surgeon / arborist, and Mr. Roger Waldman, arborist. This is live action, folks. Yee! Now y'all pay attention. This ain't nothing to play with. We're doing some serious stuff here. See that rope coming from the tree? And it's going all the way down to the dingo, into Joey. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna extract this 300-foot tree and you're gonna see it fall, just like the Geico commercial. And this tree ain't gonna ask for help. Let's get a little bit closer so we can see some of this live action, some of this live chainsaw action. That is Mr. Roger Waldman, tree service owner extraordinaire. All right, y'all paying attention? Y'all watching? That was dangerous. Woo! Did you hear the horn? That means timber. And timber! Woo! That was major. Now he gonna go through a frenzy. He gonna walk the tree, slicing shit like somebody stole something. These guys don't play around, man. They gonna straight to work. It's 13, right? It's a big tree, y'all.